Kindergartners typically learn how to recite the whole alphabet and count to 100. They're also starting to write in upper and lowercase letters. Has your child started kindergarten? That's a big milestone, and you can expect lots of exciting changes. Hi, I'm Dr. Altmann. Going to kindergarten means your child is spending less time at home and more time at school. His teachers and peers will have a lot of influence on his development as he learns to navigate in a larger social realm. His intellectual and social skills will become more complex. Don't be surprised if he starts asking, "What would happen if?" types of questions. Kindergartners typically learn how to recite the whole alphabet and count to 100. They're also starting to write in upper and lowercase letters. Kids' attention skills also improve. They can maintain focus on a project for a sustained period of time and even return to an activity after being interrupted. They're increasingly self-motivated too, and they're more focused on finding solutions to problems. Kindergartners are willing to attempt a wide range of new experiences, both on their own and with friends and adults. No doubt about it, this is an exciting time for you and your child. I'm Dr. Altmann. For more ways to raise happy, healthy kids, check out all our smart tips right here.